You must keep in mind as children, because you got a long way ahead. So I'll start straight away without wasting time. First, believe in yourself. अपने आप में विश्वास रखो. Believe in yourself. You're capable of doing much more than what you can imagine. But that belief has to be there. And unless you have that belief, it will never come. The pole vault record in the Olympics is held by a teacher, Wolfgang Nordwig. When he set the record, he had failed twice. But continuously, after teaching in school, he used to go back to the backyard of his house and practice every day. And finally, in the Munich Olympics, he set the record, which was held for 30 years. He never gave up. So first, you have to believe in yourself. Second, whatever you do, you have to be the best in it. You have to excel. Of those of you who've seen the movie Three Idiots, what Amir Khan said in that movie is absolutely correct. Excellence के पीछे भागो, कामयाबी छक मार के आपका कदम चूमेगी. You have to run and go and be excellent in whatever you do. You have to be the best. There are more than 10 lakh auto rickshaws in our country. Millions. But they talk about Annadure. Who's Annadure? Annadure is an auto rickshaw driver from Chennai. What did he do? He put a small Wi-Fi in his auto rickshaw. He put a small display counter showing the navigation of the route. He put magazines and with a magazine stand. And he used to give his visiting card to the customer. Today, people landing at Meenakpakkam Airport in Chennai don't ask for Ola or Uber. They ask for Annadure online. Annadure is just an auto rickshaw driver. And that's what you need to do. They say great people don't do different things. They do the same things differently. He is just an auto rickshaw driver. But he did it slightly differently and he succeeded. So it is not what you do that matters. It is how you do that matters. Whatever you do it well. And following that, enjoy what you do. I was very happy to see in both the dances, there was one young girl and I was pointing it to the principal ma'am. She was really enjoying the dance and that made the day. You must enjoy what you do. And you see, you don't feel the pain. You don't feel the trouble. My own nephew is a chef in Taj. He works 12 to 16 hours. But I asked him, do they pay you well? He says, पैसे को किसकी फिक्र है? I enjoy my job. I enjoy the creativity. I enjoy the job which I am doing, so much so that the Ambanis invited him specially to Jaipur for the live kitchen counter for his daughter's wedding. There you are. He's enjoying it. And today, he's off to Australia. He's got a permanent visa there. You must enjoy what you're doing. Rona nahi hai. Next, failures are a part of life. You will fail. That's okay. What you have to learn is how to get up from that failure and not give up. We had Major D.P. Singh of the Dogra regiment in the Battle of Kargil, he was attacking a post, he was hit by a mortar, his right leg got amputated. Normal people give up, but not like teeps saying. He didn't give up. He put prosthetic leg, and he's called the Iron Man. He put a prosthetic and he has run 18 marathons in this country. A marathon is incidentally 42 kilometers. Normal man can't walk with both legs such distance. He's run. So never be scared of failures. He who has never failed will never succeed in life. Edison's invention of the bulb came after 1,000 experiments. It was the 1,001st experiment which succeeded. So every time you fail, success is just one step away. You need to keep working hard. You need to keep going over that failure.